Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stockers and NINZA Pro Traders. Sorry for the late note this morning. Bad weather in the areas took out the internet, so it's being brought to you by my cell phone this morning. Looks like we had an open of 2097.75 last night, so we'll get started right in here. Looks like it just consolidated sideways for the most part, stayed right along the zone from yesterday. And then looks like right around 9:40 we drove right up. Thought we were going to double top here and maybe pull back into this zone and then drive right back up. But it looks like it just went sideways and drove right back down this morning to this zone. And we've pretty much, consolidated sideways all morning long. Looks like we had overnight lows of 2094.75. And then looks like that overnight high was actually 2104 in that area. So lots of Fed speak today, other little news, so just be cautious of all that at various times today. So the next 3 to 5 minutes going to give you targets to the upside, downside, and areas of consolidation. So let's look where we're at right here. Obviously, this area here between these two red dashes is going to be our areas of consolidation today, as we try to figure out what to do next with this market. So between the 21 and the 93, that's a big area for consolidation, but just keep an eye on it. I want to look for a test this morning of this double bottom, probably right here at 2094 to go to the downside. We've already pulled under the 24-hour review up, come back up and retested it, and now we're heading down. We could hold right here at this, a little pause right here at a pivot point, but I expect just a little bit of pullback. We're going to drive down to this double bottom, possibly right down to this 93 area, depending on what the first Fed speaker says around 9 o'clock this morning. A little bit of pullback into this pivot, and then if it is a true down day, we're going to head down into this 2090 area. Then we're going to go probably pull back up into this zone again, test this, possibly even retest this pivot, and then drive right back down to the next zone, 2080 area, 2084, and then down to the 2078 area. Now I expect this 2078 area, this zone down to 2077, I expect this to be the bottom this morning if we get down there. If we do get down there, look for the hard turn back up for a big move back to the upside. Now, if we're going to go to the upside this morning, we need to wait. It's going to drive right up to this zone, pull back, retest here at 2099. And then what I'd look for is the first target somewhere around 2104 for a double top area, or triple top area. And then pull back down to retest this DTZ that it failed last night right here, and look for a test of this zone at 2106 area. Again, it should come back and retest this at 2104, and then go right to the zone, test this previous DTZ at 2108.75. After that, we might get the small pullback, or it might just go to drive right back up to 2113. And after that, it looks like we might have a target up here, the 23 area. Now, I don't expect much more of that today, if even that. We're expecting probably top today somewhere around the 2014, unless there's some really good news that we don't know about. More than likely, it looks like we're heading down to the downside first to retest this double bottom. So just be careful today. If you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com, and have a great day.